you have your passwords saved with Google, but you don't know how to access them, I'm here for you. Yes, so today I'm going to show you how we can access your Google saved passwords in a few simple terms. Remember, whenever you sign up on a website or application, Google suggests to store or to keep for us our passwords for easy sign in and login, but you may know how to access your saved passwords. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So, but please, before I continue, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Texter, click the video and turn notifications so you don't miss out when I drop any fresh video. So let me show you. Here, what you do is head over to Chrome, open your Google Chrome application, then you see those three dots in the right upper corner. Tap on them, and then you move down, go to settings, and then in settings you move down, go to Google Password Manager. Hope you see it. Google Password Manager, it's right over here, and then open it. And then when you tap Google Password Manager, you will see all the application and websites that which their passwords have been saved. And then you scroll down, select the application website that you want. And then when you select the application, just tap on it, and then Google will ask you to put in your password or fingerprint. And then when you put in your fingerprint, you can view your Google saved passwords. So you just tap that eye, and you'll be able to view the Google saved passwords. You get that? It's as simple as that. It is as simple as that. Just go to Chrome, tap those three dots in the right upper corner, go to settings, move down, go to Google Password Manager, select the application or website of which it's password you want to view, tap on it, and then you put in the phone password or fingerprint or pattern, depending on whatever you set, and then that's it. So you'll be able to view your Google saved passwords. As simple as that. So that's how we do it. That's how we view our Google saved passwords. Just a few simple taps. So that's it. That's how we do it. But please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like video, and then turn on the notification so you don't miss out when I drop new fresh content like this. Well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Big up.